SY808 Automotive Diagnostic Scanner, a product designed for the Southeast Asian market that can test all kinds of car models such as Europe, America, Japan, Korea, Southeast Asia and other models which comply with international standard protocols. Before testing, we need to do some preparatory work. Open car windows to prevent doors automatically locking during testing. Please ensure the shift lever is in NP position, to prevent sudden rushing out of the car during startup. Then, please make sure the handbrake is firmly pulled, to prevent the car from moving forward and backward during testing. Turn on the ignition switch and start the engine. Check the instrument for abnormality. If the malfunction indicator lamp lights on and remains the status for several seconds, it indicates that the car has trouble, and then we need to find out the position of diagnostic socket. The position of diagnostic socket may be different due to different car models. Sometimes you need to check the manual for the position. With the observation of diagnostic socket, we can determine that the car can be tested with 5070 testing connector. If you still can't determine which kind of testing connector should be used, please refer to the instructions in the matching CD or call the customer service line of our company. Next, let's learn the components together. Open the SY808 equipment case. Packing list. SY808 host. CF software card. Card reader. After-sale service guide. Matching CD, including installation package of the upgrade platform and user's manual. These are testing cables. These are power supply wire for the SY808 host. Next, we'll learn the appearance of the SY808 host. LCD touchscreen. Touch pen. The indicator lamp area, it displays working status of the host. Printer cover. Feed paper button of printer. Calibration button of touchscreen. On/off button. And then, let's learn interfaces of the SY808. Jack socket for handwriting pen. CH1 to CH4 are reserved interfaces. DC interface. Interface of principal diagnostic line. Open the cover on the bottom and you can see an interface. RJ45 is a reserved interface. VGA, RS232 and USB are reserved interfaces. CF card slot. Above is the introduction for SY808 equipment case. Please take out the 5070 diagnostic connector, host general interface cable and the SY808 host from the equipment case, and then connect the 5070 diagnostic connector with the female of the host general interface cable. Next, connect the male of the host general interface cable with the SY808 host. Open the front cover of the printer. Install the printing paper. Install the winding shaft of the printer. Cover the printer cover and the installation of printing paper is complete. Open the lid at the bottom of the host and insert the CF card, according to the direction marked on the CF card. Finally, please connect the diagnostic connector with car diagnostic socket. And thus, the connection is complete. Now let's begin the operation of the SY808 host. Short press on/off button to start SY808 host. Take down the touch pen. During startup when the picture appears, Please press LF button and calibrate the touch screen in accordance with the prompt. The calibration is needed only when the touch screen is incorrect. After startup, you will see the diagnosis, oscillometer, technical data, and settings on the top. Oscillometer function and technical data function are reserved. You can set the SY808 host by clicking Setting the first time it's used. After clicking the settings, you will see the version, font color, data review, language and date, time on the right in the version menu. You can see the diagnostic software and its versions of all car models in the CF card. In the font color menu, you can set the font color based on your preferences. It makes no difference to test function. In data review menu, the data saved in the test can be seen in the language menu. Language switching between English and Thai is available in this product. In date time menu, you can set system time, click ESC or exit to return to the top menu. All the system settings will be saved. If no changes were done, you don't need to set repeatedly. Vehicle detection. Start the testing after it's configured properly. Click Diagnosis on the top left corner and choose a car model. Click Asia, Europe, and USA. On the left, the car models are divided in terms of areas. If the model to be tested isn't in the model list, please choose the OBDII and use General Protocol. Menu options may be different in different models. In the next, the operation of Toyota will be described. The car used in the demonstration is the Toyota Corolla, so please choose the Asia and Toyota. Please choose the latest version as prompted. In the demonstration, we choose the 16PINOBD2 diagnostic socket. Choose a mode. There are two kinds of modes. Please choose manual mode. Select system after the cable is connected well. Please click Enter button. Choose AQ. Choose the electronic control system to be tested. Click Read Codes to read DTCs and the interface will display the information of current code. Click the DTC to check its information. Click Save button as needed. And now, fault of this car can be determined based on the DTC. If the location of the fault still can't be confirmed, click Read Data Stream. When the trouble is cleared, click Erase Codes to clear trouble codes. Click Activation to go to the next menu. With this function, SY808 sends a command to AQ to make relevant actuators start working. With this step, we can judge if this component works normally. Turn off the SY808 host. Take off the 5070 hash connector, host general interface wire and put them back. Cover the upper cover and buckle up the lock catch. The diagnosis is complete.